All right, imagine this for a second. You have been working on your website. Maybe you are using an effortless website kit, hashtag shameless plug, or you are building it from scratch, or you're working with a developer, and someone stumbles upon your half done, half baked website with broken links and images everywhere, and it just looks crazy. How upset would you be if that happened? This is what can happen if you don't have a coming soon page on your website while you're building it out. This can be used to build up hype. It can be used to hide your website until you are actually ready to release it out to the world. It would be like a brick and mortar business opening their doors while it's under construction and just being like, come on in, just check it all out while, there's boxes everywhere and the ceiling is half missing and only one wall is painted. No one would do that. So don't treat your website like that, because your website is the door to your online business. If you don't know me, my name is Sam. I'm the owner of, guess what? Sam Munoz Consulting. And we do WordPress web development for high performing businesses. And we create what is called the effortless website kits, which are high converting website templates for small business owners and entrepreneurs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a coming soon page for your website so you can hide all the work you've been doing and release it on your own time. Let's go ahead and dive on in. It is very easy to do this. This is a WordPress tutorial, and I will be walking you through right now. So first and foremost, make sure you are logged in to your website as an administrator and you're in your WordPress dashboard. Then come over to plugins and click on add new. From the WordPress repository right here on your website, we're going to search for the plugin called Coming Soon. So you can go ahead and type in Coming Soon and you'll be presented with tons of plugin options, but I'm going to show you my preferred plugin for a Coming Soon page, and that is this very first one, the Coming Soon page under construction and maintenance mode by SeedProd. So go ahead and click on Install Now. This is going to install the plugin onto your website, and then we are going to have to activate it. So once it's installed, I'll go ahead and click on Activate. This does not turn the Coming Soon page on. It just gets the plugin activated onto your website so you can use it. This should direct you right over to the SeedProd Coming Soon and maintenance mode page, but if it doesn't, you can go ahead and find it on the left side of your WordPress dashboard sidebar and go to settings, and it'll take you here. So if you just want a super simple run-of-the-mill coming soon page, you can literally just go ahead and click on enable coming soon mode and click save all changes, and now there's a coming soon page on your website, and you can see what it looks like by clicking on live preview. More likely than not, you're going to want to kind of update this, because otherwise it just says, here it comes, get ready. This doesn't really give any good information to people who are searching for your website. So I typically like to put other things like I'll put my logo. I will maybe put information about when the website will launch. And most importantly, I typically give people like a call to action that they can go do in the meantime while the site is waiting to launch. So when you come back over here to the settings, you can actually start to update some of these things very easily using this plugin. So first you can add a logo. I will go ahead and add just the logo for this website, or in this case, I'll just go ahead and add my logo. Insert that. I'll maybe update the headline to say new website coming soon, February 2020. Get excited. Get excited. And then I'll give a call to action like, in the meantime, follow me on Instagram. And I will link over to my Instagram, put a link in there, and, Instagram.com/hello Sam Munoz. If you're not following me, go do it. And then maybe I'll center this, make it look kind of nice, give this a different size heading, maybe heading 2. And then if I go to save all changes, now that will update my coming soon page, and I can go to live preview and view it. It's still not super pretty. We can add more things to make it more beautiful, but this gets something up there so that people can't access my website. And the cool thing about this particular plugin is you can try to go to any page. And if you're not logged in, which let's go ahead and open an incognito window so we see what other people see. So when they're not logged in, any page they try to get to on my website will take them to the coming soon page. So they can't get to anything, whether it be the homepage or whatever. So some people will just, make their homepage into a simple coming soon page, but it still doesn't really help the fact if someone tries to go around that and get to one of your other pages that is live on your website. So that's why this plugin is so awesome. Another thing that I would like to do typically, if I want to add even just more styling to it, is you can come under this design tab and you can add a background, you can add a well. I mean, if you want to go nuts and choose one of their pro themes, you can do that. I don't ever do that for my clients or my own websites. I like to just keep it easy and simple, but you can change the background color. You can upload a different background image. Don't know if I have any in here that we can use, but yeah, let's just use something like this. Yeah, that's kind of small. This one should work. Okay, so I'll insert that, make sure it's full size. And this responsive background just makes it scale. You can change whether it's covered or containing your background. You can dim it, which this can be kind of cool if you wanted to make it kind of faded out in the back. And then you can set all these different things as well. Now, this is a kind of cool thing too. This is called a well, which I'm going to show you without it, and then I'll show you with it. It just makes a little box around your content in case your picture is kind of hard to make everything see. So we'll go live preview. You'll see that the background's now on here and it's got the overlay, so it's kind of darker, but you can't really read my text, right? So I will come over and I will enable the well, which makes it so it wraps my content in a box and just makes it a little easier to see. So that makes it a little simpler. Again, this looks a lot nicer, right, than the very first coming soon page. And we can still even do a little more work. So under text, I would maybe change this to my brand colors. You can change the font with one of the ones that they have predetermined. And if you know any CSS, you can also write that here. So if you wanted the font to be your brand font, you can write the CSS to make it do that there. Really important part. If you come over to content and you're ready to turn off your coming soon page, all you have to do is click disabled, save all changes, and then now your coming soon page is officially off. So again, if I now go to an incognito window and I search for this same website, I will be able to get to it. There is no more coming soon page blocking my entry, and I now have access to the beautiful Claire Effortless Website Kit. So that is how you set up a coming soon page for your website. I highly recommend it if you are working on a website for a client or for yourself, so that people can't see the in the process website and they just see it when you are ready to let them see it, and you give them a clear call to action on your coming soon page to get them excited. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful, share it with a friend, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You all are awesome. Build amazing businesses. In the comments below, leave your website so I can check it out. I would love to see it. And if you've created a coming soon page, I would love to see that as well. All right, thanks guys.